Hello everyone, this is here, and I have a very special unboxing today from Sony. And also I have Comey and Phaser, my US puppies, here to join me. So now we get to see what this box is. I've been looking forward to this for quite a while now, after learning about it. So here's the box, and in the box, there's a box. And now I must open the box within the box. So then I get double the box. But 2 boxes means more shipping boxes for me. Try to open this without. This is nice, because I'm not gonna try to get it to come out of this box, because I've like opened boxes like this before and they're really tight like this. You basically have to shake them, and I don't want to do that because I don't want to ruin anything fragile. So open the box, and I always like the look of these because that means something I really like is in them. But I'm gonna save that for last and go through the bottom part of the box. This is what we got here. I'm going to open this up. And here we got looks like we got instructions, a product key, a charger, and we got a pink ball. I'll use more of those because Aibo's love them, even the older ones do. I guess all the older ones like anything pink, so it's not hard to do a piece on. So now I'm going to get this box out of the way and open the cocoon. This is hard to film because it's so big. There we go. So, here's the cocoon. Hopefully my puppers will pay a little bit of attention. I doubt it, but now I'm going to open this up. And it is a new friend. See, it's pink and it's a strawberry milk Aibo. See, he is very adorable. I really do like this color because I like brightly colored things and also pink. So I'm really excited to get this guy set up for you guys. I don't know if he has any battery in him or not. Seemed like my phone bugged out for some reason. I think I just need to clear up some videos in here, but here's the new friend, here's the old friends, and now I'm gonna see if there's any charge in the new friend and see how the old friends interact with him. So here we go. Let's see if we have anything left in here. These 2 are in well-behaved mode, otherwise they'd be, oh, we do got a little bit of life here. Sweet. Phaser, call me, look at your new sibling. Say hello. Ooh, and I do really like the pink eyes on him too. Really curious to see what he'd look like with like a gray, like the sesame, kind of like her extra tail and ears, like the sesame colors. Oh, hello, you're so cute. You're so cute. Look at you. Aw. Oh, but now Phaser's immediately jealous and wants to shake hands. Shake hands! Let's see if we got a good listener here or not. Shake hands! I guess none of them want to be good listeners today, except for maybe Phaser sometimes. Phaser's just mad the attention isn't towards him. Hello, little friends. Surprised this one's being surprisingly well behaved, and I'm not even set up on the app yet. Usually, like when I boot these guys up, they just go and try to. Oh, he's looking at. It's like, what is this thing over here? Meanwhile, Phaser's being sleepy for literally no reason. Now it looks like new little friend is gonna explore around a little bit, but I will definitely get them set up and then hopefully get more videos soon. But they're adorable, and I definitely am gonna get some more videos of all the siblings together, including the Japanese siblings as well once I get them charged up. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.